So just when you thought Palantir stock couldn't go up even more, well, they just got another contract today, a multi-year contract worth up to $450 million that's sending their stock up over 7% on the day. And for those of you guys out there that have not been paying attention, maybe you've been living under a rock, Palantir stock is up over 140% year to date, and a bulk of that gain has come from the beginning of May, from when they just reported earnings a month ago, which is insane. So you guys can see here, today they announced they were awarded a contract from the U.S. Special Operations Command to deliver technology solutions to support enterprise capabilities, and the multi-year contract is worth up to, are you guys ready for this, $463 million. And of course, Palantir provides best-in-class software capabilities for America's warfighters, including the men and women of USS OCOM, and this contract award will help ensure their continued competitive advantage in this next phase of competition, and Palantir helps USS OCOM to parse the petabytes of data emanating from today's environments and enables decision making. And according to the president of Palantir USG, our partnership is an example of converting software innovation into real battlefield advantage. USS OCOM is at the forefront of adopting leading edge technology. Huge news from Palantir, guys.